friend, it's story time.
Lily loved her treasure box. It was filled with shiny, sparkly jewels. She had red rubies, green emeralds, and bright orange gems. They were her favorite things to play with. But when it was time for dinner, Lily saw something she did not like. Bumpy broccoli, lumpy carrots, and wobbly peppers. Yucky, she said, wrinkling her nose. Her dad knelt beside her. "What if I told you a secret?" he whispered. "These are not vegetables. They are magic gems, waiting for a chef to make them sparkle." Lily stopped frowning. "Magic?" she whispered back. The next day, Dad put on a chef's hat and gave one to Lily. On the counter were the vegetables. "Welcome to the gem kitchen, Chef Lily," he said. "Today, we make treasure." First, they washed the gems under the water. Splash, splash. Then, Dad helped Lily use a cookie cutter to press fun shapes. The carrots became orange stars, and the peppers became red hearts. "Every gem needs some magic dust," Dad said. He gave Lily a little bowl. She used her fingers to sprinkle sparkly salt and pepper all over the veggie shapes. Dad opened the oven. "This is our warm treasure cave," he said. "It will turn our gems crispy and sweet." He slid the tray inside, and Lily watched the oven light glow. Ding! The treasure was ready. Dad pulled out the tray. The veggies were not lumpy or bumpy anymore. They were golden and sparkly. "Wow!" Lily gasped. "Real gems." Lily picked up a warm carrot star. She took a tiny bite. Crunch! It was sweet. She ate a red pepper heart. It was yummy. She ate all of her veggie gems until the plate was empty. "I'm a veggie gem chef," Lily cheered. From that day on, Lily and her dad had the best secret. They knew how to turn boring vegetables into the most delicious, sparkly treasure in the whole wide world.